Good morning, Hollydale leaders. I hope you are having a great day, and I'm really excited to talk to you some more about phonics today. We've been talking about the aw sound, and we've learned a couple different ways to spell it, and we'll talk about those in a few minutes. First, I want you to think about some noises, some bird noises you may have heard at home, or from one of Mrs. Jones's videos that she's done for announcements, where she gave us a tour of her garden. You might have heard something in the background, a bird, a crow specifically, cawing. Let's take a look at that now. Did you hear him? He kept saying, ah, 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 and that's what a crow does. So let's take a look at some words and some spellings that have that sound. So the first one is the word yawn, yawn. Now I'd like you to pause the video for a moment while you get a piece of paper and a pen or pencil or marker or crayon or anything to write with. And take a look. Let's practice writing some words together. All right, so pause it till you get that. Have you got it? All right, the first word we're going to write is a word we did yesterday, yawn, yawn. Let's take a look at that. Okay, we're going to write the word yawn, yawn, y. The first letter I here is y, which would be a Y. So let's write that, y. On. Here we go. Here's another word. This time I want you to read it with me, and then you can write it. Wall, wall. And here's how you spell it. I'm having a hard time writing with my mouse today. Wall. Here's another one we wrote yesterday. This one has lots of silent letters. It has an A and a U that say ah, and it has a G and an H, T. This word is taught, taught. Next one we have is this word, lost, lost. So you can see right here we have several ways to spell the aw sound. We have it with an AW, with AL, with AU, and just with an O. So remember, we're going to have to do a lot of thinking how words look. Another one would be the word talk. Here is talk. Can you read that word with me? Talk. And there's an AL. Another one we have is the word haul. Haul. Like a truck has to haul lots of boxes and things to stores. Another one is bought. Bought. One of your parents may have bought a bunch of toilet paper. Bought. And the last one for today is what a baby likes to do, which is crawl. Crawl. And there it is with an AW. So lots of different ways to spell some of our words. Let's read them together again. Yawn, wall, taught, lost, talk, haul, bought, or crawl. All different ways. And here we have them again. When sloth with just an O, claw with the AW, vault, which is an AU, stall, ALL, and chalk, just an AL, and salt, also is AL. All right, let's take a look at our poster for today. First, let's see what you see in the poster. What do you see in the pictures? I see a baseball game here, and I see people watching the game. Those would be the fans. And I am assuming that the batter hit the ball way up here in the air, and a hawk came and caught the ball. A hawk is this bird right here. So let's practice reading this poem together called Ball Game. Stop that ball, came a loud call. all the fans began to talk. It bounced off the wall, and Hawk caught the ball. He returned it with a squawk. So let's take a look for some ah sounds, like in ball. There's the A-L-L. And there's ball again. And ball rhymes with call. So look, it even has the same spelling pattern, A-L-L. And then there's the word all. Look at that, 3 rhyming words in a row. Ball, call, all. And the fans began to talk. There's with A-L. It bounced off the wall. Oh, ball, call, all, wall. There's ball again. And he returned it with a squawk. And there it is with A-W. All right, let's move on again. Now let's do some sorting sounds. This we have ah, like in saw with an A-W. And we have it with an O, like in sloth. A-L, like in salt. Or A-U, like in vault. So let's read our first word. We've got straw. Straw. Where would that one go? Oh, you're so right. It would go down here with, hold on. It would go right here under A-W. Talk. Talk. What spelling pattern do you see there? I see an A, I see an L. So that one would go right over here. Draw. Draw. How is the ah sound spelled in this word? Ah! You're so smart. Another A-W word. All right, this one is malt. Malt. It's a kind of drink. How is the ah sound spelled in malt? Ah, you're right, A-L. Squall. Squall is a storm. You are right, A-L. Strong. How is the ah sound spelled in this word? Up with an O. Caught. Caught. Where would that one go? Up. A-U. And last one, halt. Halt. Where would that one go? Right here. And look, they didn't give us enough boxes, but that's okay. We're learning lots of ways to spell and hear the ah sound. All right, let's do some more reading. This word, let's see if you can read that, because that is kind of like a sight word, like walk. If you can read walk, you can read talk. Haul. Bought. And crawl. Let's sound these words out together. T, aw, k, talk. I bet you like to talk to the people in your house. Let's try the next word. All. Haul. Every day you haul your backpack to school when we go. Bought. B. Aw. T. Bought. All. Crawl. Like a baby likes to crawl. All right, let's practice some writing now. Today we're going to write the word draw. Draw. So what 2 letters would make the dr sound? If you said D going this way and R, you are right. And then the ah in draw is spelled with an A-W. I hope you got that one right. Go ahead and pause the video for a second and write the word draw 3 times to help your brain learn it. The next word that we're going to write is the word wall. Wall. If you can write all, you can write wall. So all. There you go. Go ahead and pause the video and write that word wall 3 times. All right, let's practice some sight words. Let's see if you can say them faster than I can. Then, home, dog, there, his, oops, me, here, and come. Good job, boys and girls. All right, quickly we're going to review sounds and letters of our blends. Bl like block, cl like clock, fl like flag, gl globe, pl plane, sl sled, br broom, cr crab, dr drum like we just wrote with draw, fr frog, gr grape, pr present, and truck. Wow, you guys are getting fast. All right, this is a stall for the horses. We learned that one yesterday. Hey, that's like all, stall. What two letters make that initial blend, the part you hear at the beginning? St. All right, smarty pants, it is an ST. Says st. All right, let's go over some more blends. This time we're just going to say the sounds up the top. There's some beginning ones, and then we'll move right into some ending ones down here, okay? Sk, sk. Sl, sm, sn, sp, st, sw. Now ending ones. Sk, sp, st, nd, ng, nt, nk. Wow, you guys are fast. All right, this is a ball. How many syllables are in that word? Ball. You're right, one. You are right if you said one. What is the initial sound in ball? B, b, ball. You're right, it's a B. And the final sound in ball, L, is an L. You are correct. All right, now let's try some three-letter blends, and we're just going to go over them quickly together. Ready? Scr, spl, spr, squ, str. This is a saw. What final sound do you hear in saw? Aw. Oh, give me two letters that make that sound. If you said A-L, A-L-L, A-U, A-W, or an O, you are right. In this word saw, though, we spell it with S-A-W. All right. Now say the word map. Map. If you change that A to ah, what new word would you make? You're so smart. Mop. Very good. All right. Quickly, we're going to go over some digraphs. K, ch, sh, th, w. This is a sock. What vowel sound do you hear in sock? I heard ah. So how would we spell that word? S, ah, k. And there's two letters that make this sound. We need both of them. All right, great job, boys and girls. I can't wait to see you again tomorrow for more phonics fun. Have a great day. Bye.